no psychologist can prescribe medication. Have you ever realized that कभी-कभी आपको लगता है आज मुझे सब करना है और आज
That's me every day.
कुछ भी सही नहीं हो रहा है. Clean your closet, clean your table. You can be stressed for an exam. Exam खत्म, stress gone. That's for us, Glenn, not for people. So the thing is, when you're on your phone, you're continuously processing something all the time.
Correct.
You have an option to swipe left and right, and upwards.
Yeah.
And what happens is we're so used to getting all the options. When you go off and show yourself on social media, you're always putting happier pictures.
Best moments.
Another thing that most adults struggle with is the power to say no. Addiction कब हो जाता है? Say you're addicted to your work and you just love it and you're driven by it.
Welcome back to the show, Dr. Alisha. Thank you so much for joining me on this show. आपने इतने सारे डिग्रीज हासिल किए हैं, एक-एक करके आप ही बता दीजिए हमारे मुंबई के लोगों को, because credibility की दुकान, if credibility had a face and degrees and studying had, you know, that ideal child of every family, it would be you. So tell us about all your qualifications पहले.
Hi Glenn.
Hi.
Thank you so much for having me here. This is something that I had not expected as a question, very honestly. So I have a master's in special education for multiple disabilities. After that, have got a master's in psychology, followed by an MBA in clinical research and hospital management. I have a PhD in psychology,
Okay.
and currently I am studying psychotherapy or practicing psychology from the father of psychotherapy, Aaron Beck from Philadelphia. So that's something that's ongoing, which is, I think, on its way out. I'm just.
It's because of people like you, right? People like us. Our parents look at us and say, देख, the comparison जो चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए एक घर में, एक देसी घर में, वो अलीशा जैसे स्टूडेंट्स के कारण ही होता है. You know, 21st century Dr. Alisha is जहाँ पर ये टर्म यूज करते हैं about mental health and seeking help is not a taboo anymore. Psychologists और psychiatrists, इसमें अंतर क्या है? What's the difference? If you can explain to our audiences.
A psychiatrist is someone who can prescribe medication. इनकी medical degree होती है, so they have to do an MBBS. A psychologist at the same time is someone who has an arts degree, followed by a psychology majors.
Okay.
And they can practice psychotherapy as well.
जो आप करती हैं.
Correct. Now there are some psychiatrists also that do take to patients with therapy, but no psychologist can prescribe medication because you don't have a degree for it, so you can't do
Okay.
it.
That's interesting. To understand what goes inside a human being's mind, and Dr. Alisha is here to help us understand and decode बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में होती है. मैं इनके बारे में जिक्र करता रहता हूँ हमारे शो पर. We call this segment मित्रों ये है तन की बात, where we talk about mind, the matter that goes on in your mind, and why do we fail, how do we fail, how do we cope up with all of these things, relationships, ये सारी चीजों के बारे में हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे. I'm a millennial, so I'm slightly old. So I talk about millennial things. I talk about things that affect me. I talk about things that are actually happening in and around us. So let's start. You know, let's address the biggest topic over here about mental health. सब mental health के बारे में बात करते हैं. Everybody, Alisha speaks about what we need to do, what we don't need to do. Social media पे इतनी सारी चीजें आई हैं. एक term मैंने आपसे पूछा था. What is dopamine overdose? Dopamine एक अच्छा हार्मोन होता है. I remember it as DOSE, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphins. ये आपके लिए अच्छा होता है. डोपामिन ओवरडोज खराब क्यों होता है? और डोपामिन क्या है पहले आप समझाइए लोगों को.
Our brain has chemicals. Have you ever realized that कभी-कभी आपको लगता है आज मुझे सब करना है और आज
That's me every day.
और कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आज मुझे बेड से बाहर ही नहीं उतरना है.
हाँ.
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आज सब साफ सफाई हो जाएगी. शायद आप नेबर के भी घर जाके साफ सफाई कर लोगे because you're so motivated.
Correct.
And so driven, as if you feel you're driven by a motor. And on some days you just don't feel like doing absolutely anything. We are conditioned by the chemicals in our brain. When they are not in the right proportion, या जब वो सही मात्रा में नहीं है, we begin to feel in a different manner. Dopamine is one such chemical which has a lot to do with how we feel about our levels of motivation.
So dopamine is equivalent to motivation basically.
Correct.
तो कुछ लोगों में डोपामिन की मात्रा बड़ी हाई होती है तो वो हाईली मोटिवेटेड इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं. डोपामिन के बारे में आपने बताया. ऑक्सीटोसिन का डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप क्या है?
Oxytocin is the love hormone.
So hug, cuddle with somebody.
Correct. You like someone, they've held your hand for the first time, and you feel the awe feeling.
हाँ.
That's oxytocin.
Butterflies in your tummy
The
वाली
butterflies.
feeling.
Perfect.
हाँ.
So that's the best
हाँ.
description
हाँ.
of that.
Endorphins, workout.
In general.
Run, workout, any physical activity.
Correct.
Is endorphins.
Correct.
And
Serotonin.
yes.
That has a lot to do with your moods. See, I've done something which is reinforcing, maybe like even a workout. That's my happy hormone. So that's what serotonin is about. There is a little overlap between these.
Endorphins and serotonin ना थोड़ा सा है.
There would be a little overlap between all of them at a certain given point, but at the same time they're distinct in their own ways.
So basically all of them are mood regulators and help you keep your mind at ease and peace. Can decluttering, जैसे हमारे मुंबई के घर में बोलते हैं थोड़ा सा declutter करेंगे तो मन साफ होगा, क्या वो सच बात है कि what is it a myth or is it a
You know,
truth?
it's actually believed that जब कुछ भी सही नहीं हो रहा है, clean your closet, clean your table. Which means that if the place around you is clean,
हाँ.
you're going to feel clean and organized between your 2 ears. So it's very much a fact.
It's a fact.
Now, apart from cleaning just the place around you, it's also important that you take to some healthy habits.
Okay, जैसे?
One healthy habit would be probably staying away from your screen and having a little digital detox. Now, you saw me wait out for a couple of minutes, but
Right.
I was not sitting with my phone.
Correct.
Because I think it can wait.
Right.
We're on it all the time. We need to have a certain gap when we're doing absolutely nothing and it's okay.
Right.
And have you realized that for people driven like you, that is a bigger task than actually doing something?
In fact, मेरी एक लाइफ कोच थी जिन्होंने भावना, I owe her a lot. She said a very interesting thing to me. She said she said take 20 minutes of downtime. I said what is downtime? I said I'll read a book. I like reading. She said no. I said I'll listen to some calming music. She said no. I said what do I do? What is
Do
downtime?
nothing.
She said do nothing. I said what do you mean do nothing? She's saying lie down. I said lie down and do what? She's saying lie down. I said okay. I went down. I was lying down on the floor. I felt immense peace for 20 minutes. I didn't care what happened. It doesn't matter to me what happened, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. 20 minute का ये downtime actually added value to my life. So what you're saying is actually very true. You're going to call this truth or myth, okay? Brace yourself. Let's start. If you keep yourself busy, you won't feel anxious or sad.
Myth.
Physical symptoms like headaches and fatigue can be caused by stress and anxiety.
Absolutely true.
Crying is a sign of weakness.
Absolutely not. False. Myth.
मैं बहुत रोया हूँ. Your brain is still active while you sleep.
Not always.
Anxiety and stress are the same thing.
No.
Peop-
You can be stressed for an exam. Exam khatam, stress gone. But anxiety will be ongoing. Just to elaborate on that a little bit.
People with depression don't always look sad.
Very true.
Waking up early automatically makes you more productive.
See, that works for a few people like us, but a lot of people, like say, if they're into composing, writing, artists, they prefer staying up all
Yes.
night and they only sleep at 5 in the morning. So I think it depends on your profession and it depends on your productivity.
Multitasking makes you more efficient.
That's for us, Glenn, not for people.
You can't catch up on lost sleep over the weekend.
Not always. See, if you've slept like a 6 hours and you need 7-8 hours, you can catch up. But if you've slept 2 hours, you can't catch up. Do the math.
Taking breaks while working means you're not serious enough.
It depends on the occupation you're in. It's not the same. For some people, that little breather can give you so much more energy.
But if that
inside.
breather is more than 1.5 hours, then there's a problem. Yeah. Okay. Alicia, we spoke about the fact that कि phone से दूर रहना ज़रूरी है. लेकिन आज का ये जो दौर है, ये जो time है, we're constantly with our phones. We cannot function without our phones. In fact, my dad is either sending me good morning messages or he's playing Candy Crush. It's very hard to tell people to stay away from your phones. एक तरीका मैंने आजमाया है कि मैं खाना खाते वक्त अपना फ़ोन दूर रखता हूँ और रात को सोने से पहले अपना फ़ोन दूर रखता हूँ. So these are ways I have done things. How is it medically proven कि फ़ोन को थोड़ा दूर रखना आपकी productivity और आपकी mental health के लिए अच्छा है? Is there a medical science to this?
So the thing is, when you're on your phone, you're continuously processing something all the time.
Correct.
You have an option to swipe left and right,
Right.
and upwards.
Yeah.
And what happens is we're so used to getting all the options that when you actually have to wait without any options, you don't like it. Imagine you're waiting in like a grocery store, waiting for your billing. It's taking time. You feel restless, you feel uneasy. Why does that happen?
Because time लग रहा है and I'm impatient.
You're impatient and ये आपसे हो नहीं रहा है क्योंकि आपने कभी किया नहीं है पहले.
हाँ, क्योंकि मेरे फास्ट ई कॉमर्स की लाइफ में जब मैं एक स्वाइप करूँ तो मेरा ब्रेड आ जाएगा घर पे, सब कुछ आ जाएगा इन माय टाइमलाइन. Actually.
और होता ये भी है that see I'm swiping like this. So when I read like this. I want immediate gratification. I want something to be fast all the time. And because of that, if I'm not happy, even in the smallest of things, I give up very easily. I get bored very easily, or I say I'm done. So that takes a toll on you as a person, and later on also affects your relationships.
Tell us how can a phone addiction, जैसे कि हम फोन पे बैठे रहते हैं पूरे टाइम, कम्यूट कर रहे हैं कहीं पर भी है, हमारे रिश्तों में ये एक दरार बन सकता है.
Every human being seeks a certain validation from someone else.
Correct.
कि आप मुझे कुछ अच्छा बोलो तो मुझे कुछ अच्छा feel हो.
हाँ.
When you go off and show yourself on social media, you're always putting happier pictures.
Best moments.
आपने कभी किसी को रोता हुआ पिक्चर नहीं डाला, देखा? आपने कभी देखा नहीं?
Rare होता है कि लोग डालते हैं.
पिक्चर डालना. That is also for a certain amount of attention and validation.
Somebody had to say it. Thank you. Yes. True.
Correct? So we do not put out things that are not validating enough.
So whether it is happy or whether you are crying, वो validation seek करने के लिए हम डालते हैं.
Then there is a constant comparison. Now, comparisons have been there from the time of our existence or probably before our existence. Imagine you take a child and go to a pediatrician. The child is 10 months old. There's another parent with another child. There is a constant comparison of neck holding, sitting, complexion, weight, milestones. Those kids are being compared even without their knowledge. In the same manner, comparisons happen even digitally. This one's doing better than me. This particular person is having better holidays than me. They have a better looking partner than me. They are more successful than me. These constant comparisons can make you feel low when you feel, oh, I'm not enough. Or I'm not out there like just the other people. This affects you mentally. And this leads to you spiraling in terms of, I don't fit in. I don't feel good about myself. Will I ever get a chance to be there? And if I feel, nahi, ye mujhse nahi hoga, then again I spiral.
पर ये रिश्तों में जब आता है कि लोग थ्रिल सीख करते हैं, I know this, कि couple of times we have forgotten to get bored in relationships also. तो जब आपने किसी को देखा कि कोई हॉलिडे कर रहा है, कोई कपल इज डूइंग अ हॉलिडे, तो आप अपने पार्टनर को देख के बोलते हैं यार हमारे रिलेशनशिप में इतना बोर्डम है, हम तो कुछ करते ही नहीं, ये देखो ये लोग कितने एडवेंचरस हैं, हमें पता नहीं उनके वहाँ पे क्या खिचड़ी बन रही है, बट द पॉइंट इज इमीडिएटली जो दिखता है हम वो सीख करते हैं कि लुक एट व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर हैविंग सो मच ऑफ फन. आई थिंक समवेयर दैट इज आल्सो अफेक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स, मॉडर्न डे रिलेशनशिप्स टुडे, कि आई डोंट हैव द थ्रिल एंड द फन दैट अदर्स आर हैविंग. डज दैट
I
अफेक्ट?
think every relationship at a certain time is going to plateau. But what we feel is, it needs to give you that spark all the time.
दैट नॉट पॉसिबल. नो, किसी भी चीज में नहीं होगा ना वो.
And that's why there's a need to search for something outside the relationship, which is also increased post
Because of social media.
of social media.
How does one avoid this? How relationships के लिए ही नहीं, but just generally, how does one put a stop to these things?
I think there's one thing that all of us need to do is be in check.
And how will that be in
Okay,
today's
let's
age?
do this as a simple task. Okay, now Glenn, you have 24 hours a day. We all do. Break it up into in terms of the number of hours that I'm sleeping, eating, bathing, miscellaneous, the number of hours I'm working, the number of hours I'm on my screen. See what is left. And if you feel that I have so many hours a day that are unaccounted for, that's my wasted time.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ लोग अपना स्क्रीन टाइम देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि 10 घंटे तो वो स्क्रीन पे ही स्पेंड करते हैं.
I have made a lot of people do this. Some people have arrived at 30 hours.
30 hours?
किसी का 16 hours है और उनको पता ही नहीं वो क्या करे पूरे दिन में.
16 hours स्क्रीन टाइम and 30 hours?
30 hours नहीं, उनको लगता है उनका दिन जो
अच्छा,
है
वैसे
वो
आप कह
30
रही हैं.
hours में चलता है.
Sorry, my bad.
Which means that either you're overtly ambitious क्योंकि वो possible है नहीं,
हाँ.
या फिर you have so many unutilized hours, which means कि आपका पूरा जो दिन है वो wasted जा रहा है. Keep yourself in check कि मेरा जो टाइम है वो जाता कहाँ है. That's the first thing.
लोग कहते हैं ना मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, लेकिन आपको चेक में रहना है कि आप कहाँ पे वो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं by actually analyzing how many hours are you sleeping, what are you doing, miscellaneous activities and travel, office, whatever. Okay.
Another thing is it's very important to keep your group in check. Your group, your social circle.
संगत का असर जिसको बोलते हैं.
जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कुछ चीजें अगर ये जो आदतें हैं आपके दोस्तों में और अगर वो गलत है, and if you've not taken to those, you will eventually take to those.
हो जाता है वो.
हो जाता है. So you need to see who you're hanging around with. Another thing that most adults struggle with is the power to say no.
I was coming to that very importantly. बचपन में हमें सिखाया गया है कि ना नहीं बोलते और डोंट से नो. अरे गो, अंकल बुला रहे हैं, आंटी बुला रहे हैं, गो गिव देम अ हगी. बच्चों को ये बोला जाता है. इवेंचुअली वो बाउंड्रीज एस्टैब्लिश नहीं होती बचपन में एंड वी आर ऑल विक्टिम्स टू दैट.
But आजकल के बच्चे जो है वो yes नहीं बोलते, वो पहले no.
नो बोलते हैं.
तो ये हमें एडल्ट्स को सीखना है बच्चों से कि नो बोलना है. Now we all get into this monotony. अब वो monotony break कैसे करनी है? Every day do one thing that makes you happy and one thing that you haven't done before.
If you want to seek thrill in life, do one thing that you haven't done before and one thing that makes you happy.
Correct. Now one thing that makes you happy can be something as simple as let me order something small. If I say every day, at least you'll end up doing it thrice a week, which is also good. One new thing that you haven't done in very long. Pick up the phone and speak to someone you haven't spoken to in very long. We all
Basic
did that
चीजें.
during COVID.
हाँ सर, बेसिक चीजें आप बोल रही हैं, करो.
Basic things. I leave the house and go right generally to travel to a certain place. Let me take a left. I'm right-handed. That's my dominant hand. Let me try and pick up stuff with my left hand today. Something different, something basic. Something as simple as we all get used to ordering food from particular places and specific items. Let me break the monotony. It's going to be a different restaurant and a different item. You need to learn to break the monotony of your life.
ये जो हाइज एंड लोज का जो चक्कर होता है ना, कभी-कभी स्ट्रेस एडिक्शन एक नया टर्म जो है वो कॉइन हुआ है. आज की तारीख में इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. स्ट्रेस एडिक्शन क्या होता है आपके हिसाब से? मेरे हिसाब से मैं बताता हूँ, पहले आप बताइए.
See, stress is something that comes to everyone.
हाँ.
Okay. Now, why does it come? Because our life has many parts. So your life would be your work, family, say social life, career, finances. These are all parts. We can't make any part a whole.
Correct.
And we suffer when we make any one part a whole. Right? Ab addiction kab ho jata hai? Say you're addicted to your work and you just love it and you're driven by it. Right? You give it your all. On a particular day, if it doesn't give you back as much as you've put in, you're going to lose it.
Right.
And then you'll be stressed about it.
Correct.
And because that has been such a driving force for you, you're going to be addicted to that. And you're used to pushing yourself so much that you'll feel, no, one more time, let me push it. One more time, let me push
But
it.
isn't it a good thing? ये अच्छी बात है ना कि अगर आप खुद को push कर रहे हैं, you're not being lazy or
Then what happens
lax
is,
about it.
it's going to cause you a lot of frustration at a given point, and all your other circles are going to take a back seat. And when that happens, you're also going to get some kind of negative feedback from the others, and that's when it's going to creep into your personal life. Because you've decided to give one thing importance over the other things.
How does one motivate themselves? अब मैं खुद को motivate कर पाता हूँ, कोई और इंसान है जो नहीं motivate कर पाता है. What can one do?
I think you need to appreciate the small efforts you make. Let's talk about a child जिसने टेस्ट में out of 10 उस बच्चे को 5 मिला है. Average 5 on 10. Okay. See next time उसको मिलता है 6. अब ये है success. But अगर पेरेंट्स कहें नहीं 10 on 10 ही सक्सेस है, so every 6, 7 and 8 will not be celebrated. You need to appreciate every small step you make.
So individual success as opposed to comparing the success to somebody else is what
You
you're
should
saying.
not care about what someone else is doing. That's their journey. This is yours. See where you are and see the progress that you've made, and then you need to acknowledge the progress that you've made. You need to reward yourself. स्कूल में याद है स्टिकर मिलता था,
हाँ, एक स्टार
smiley.
मिलता था, हाँ.
अच्छा लगता था, right?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
बड़े
था.
होने के बाद तो कोई देता नहीं है. When was the last time you went to a dentist? I went say 2 weeks ago. When was the last time I went to a general physician? I went 3 weeks ago. When was the last time you went to an ophthalmologist? I went a month ago. When was the last time I got my mental health checked? To see, am I doing fine? I mean, I do it. It's nice for us to be in check. But people don't do it, right?
क्योंकि एक शायद एक टैबू जैसा होता है ना, जैसे आप आज के दौर में इसके बारे में बहुत बात किया जाता है मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, लेकिन आप जब किसी को कहेंगे कि आपको एक मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल के पास जाना है, तो वो एक चीज आएगी कि अब पागल है क्या सीन है, कुछ जस्ट रिलैक्स ब्रो. लड़कों में एक अलग होता है, बोलता है अरे चिलना छोड़ना सब ठीक हो जाएगा, बट आई थिंक इट्स स्टिल अ टैबू एंड पीपल आर क्रॉसिंग दैट
I
बैरियर.
think post-COVID we've been a little better. I wouldn't deny
most
that. but we're
empathetic
not there.
approach towards it.
But we're not there yet.
Right.
Like a lot of people address me as pagalo ka doctor. And then you have to actually tell them that आप पागल नहीं हो. And this is normalcy.
ये पहली चीज ये क्लियर करना है कि अगर आप एक मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल के पास जा रहे हो तो आप पागल नहीं हो. ये बोलने के लिए लोग ऐसे बोल देते हैं, लेकिन इट इज फॉर यू टू, जैसे आपने कहा ना चोट लगती है तो आप
You know, that's why I give a lot of personal examples at clinic. I tell them, आपको रोना आता है, मुझे भी रोना आता है. You get angry and frustrated, so do I. You think I have the best relationships? Ask me, I'll tell you. Do you think I don't attract red flags? Ask me, I'll tell you. So we do the same things. We probably come in with a little more understanding that listen, now this is rock bottom, we need to seek help. That's the only difference. We have a degree to help you, but that doesn't mean we're not in the dungeons ever.
आपके साथ भी होता है, तो आप इसे नॉर्मलाइज कर रहे हैं कि सबके साथ होता है.
Exactly, this is very normal. I mean, someone asked me कि आपके तो ब्रेकअप होते ही नहीं होंगे, आप तो ब्रेकअप के बाद रोते ही नहीं होगे. मैंने बोला अब इनको क्या समझाऊं.
ये मेरे शो का हाईलाइट है. We are going to end this on this high note, and that is a cut.